year ago, I ordered a few products from Ulanzi, a metal mini tripod that fits in any pocket, and an extra quick release plate for my main tripod. To hit the 100 bucks free shipping minimum, I threw in a portable light stand I had never heard of. 1 year later, I can honestly say that I have fallen in love with all three. I've used them extensively, especially when traveling, and I can't recommend them highly enough. I had a quick look and the prices are still reasonable. If you live in the US, you might want to grab what you need before any potential tariff increases. I will leave affiliate links in the descriptions that may help me earn a commission at no extra cost to you. For a casual shooter like me, a mini tripod is essential. It's perfect for those just-in-case situations. When you haven't planned to shoot, don't want to carry your bulky tripod, but still want to carry your camera because who knows. That's how I improvised documentaries during my trip to Kenya last year, placing this little guy on a bucket for interviews and on all kinds of surfaces to get stable B-roll shots, even when you have your main tripod. A second, smaller one can come in handy for a second camera angle or when you are in a tight space. That's exactly how I shot a portrait of an artist in his Paris workshop. His desk was pushed against the wall and it couldn't be moved, so I placed the mini tripod on the desk, threw on a 24mm lens, and captured what became the first environmental portrait in my new long-term project. I'm proud of that shot. It marks my return to photography after a 5-year break. My name is Jose Alcoy, and on this channel I share tips on documentary filmmaking and photography. Get my free photo and video release form. The link is in the description. Now, let's talk gear. This is the Ulanzi MT46, a tiny tripod that is built like a tank. It's all metal, no cheap plastic, and it feels rock solid in the hand. It extends a little for extra height, and it supports a full-frame camera with a prime lens and a microphone without an issue. The ball head is buttery smooth, and after 1 year of use it works flawlessly. There's also a cold shoe mount on the side, but I haven't had much use for it. What sold me on this model is the quick release system. Instead of the usual Arca Swiss clamp that you have to tighten every time, this one uses the Falcon F38 system. You can just lock or release the camera with one single click. You might think that saving a few seconds is not a big deal, but it quickly adds up. This system is fast and secure, and I ordered a second quick release bundle for my main tripod and second camera to keep everything consistent. Next up, the Ulanzi MT79, a super light and portable light stand, especially compared to the bulky ones I've used over the past 10 years. I love that it fits right into my backpack. It comes with a screw mount for video lights, flashes, or even cameras, but I don't recommend using it as a tripod. It's not stable enough for that. I do wish the screw was a bit longer. It doesn't fit some devices like my small rig lights, but I use a handle to get around that. It supports up to 1 kilogram. When I need to pack light, it gets the job done. In fact, it's the only light stand that I brought to Kenya. Paired with a small rig video light and a tiny softbox, it allowed me to shoot beautiful interviews and B-roll. You'll find links to all the gear I mentioned, as well as my free photo and video release form, all in the description. If you are into off-camera flash, environmental portraits, or no-budget documentary filmmaking, hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more coming. And check out this playlist to know which gear I use for filmmaking on the go, camera, lighting, microphone, and more.